This is the first tutorial on how to calculate percentages. First, the definition. A percentage is a way to express a number as a fraction of 100. An example, 30%, which is written as 30 followed by the percent sign, is simply another way to write the ratio 30 divided by 100. So, for instance, 30% of the number 200 is 30 over 100, which represents 30%, times 200. That is equal to 60. Therefore, 30% of 200 is 60. In order to calculate percentages, all you need to know is how to multiply and how to divide. Let's do some examples. First, let's express the fraction 4/5 as a percentage. To do this, we simply multiply the fraction by 100. 4/5 times 100 is equal to 4 times 20, because 5 divided into 100 is 20, and that's equal to 80. Therefore, 4/5 written as a percentage is 80%. Let's do another example. Let's express the number 2 1/4 as a percentage. First, we express the number as an improper fraction. 2 1/4 is equal to 9/4. Now, to convert this fraction to a percentage, we simply multiply by 100. 9/4 times 100 is equal to 9 times 25, because the 4 divides into 100 with a quotient of 25, and that is equal to 225. Therefore, 2 1/4 written as a percentage is 225%. Now let's do a calculation. What percent of 20 is the number 15? First, we need to work out the fraction 15 over 20. 15 over 20 is equal to 3 times 5 divided by 4 times 5. Canceling the common factor of 5, we see that this is equal to 3/4. Now, we express the fraction 3/4 as a percentage. 3/4 times 100 is equal to 3 times 25, dividing the 4 into the 100, which is equal to 75. Therefore, 15 is 75% of 20. Now, let's work out what percentage of 400 is the number 120. First, we write this as a fraction, 120 divided by 400. 120 over 400 is equal to 3 times 40 divided by 10 times 40. You can cancel out the common factor of 40, leaving you with the fraction 3 over 10. Now we express the fraction 3 over 10 as a percentage. 3/10 times 100. This is equal to 3 times 10, or 30. Therefore, 120 is 30% of 400.